Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, nandito kami sa Tanay Rizal at pumunta kami sa mountain view na si Cloud. So, kung sino po yung gustong pumunta dito at mag-view ng mga Sea of Clouds dito sa Tanay, sa Ibukaw, Laitan. So, ito yung madadaanan nyo. Marsh. Pero nakakadaan ng ano loo. Tanga na may tayo pa ng ano. So, ayan mga. Yan yung madadaanan nyo muna. So, hindi. Kasi maputik masyado. Yan.
Kaso parang yun yung doon eh, Sar. Ha? Parang ang lalim eh.
Diyan lang. Kung marunong pang magtanong, hindi tayo maliligaw eh. So, naligaw kami. Doon kami sa pinakamababa. Sa may sapa na. Wala pala. Pwede na ako mag-place na. So, ayan. Diba? Lo, parang ano yo, papunta na sa ano namin to lo. Bukid lo. Pwede pala dito mag-overnight binong ni Kuya. Diba? So, ayan. Yung una, naligaw kami, nandun ka sa pinakababa. So, dalawang sapa yung ginaanan namin. Tapos may Joseph, lapok in town, guys. Lapok, tanawar ako, stepin, oh. Lapok in town. So, So malapit na kami sa overlooking ng sea clouds. Ayan. Papuntang Tabuay naman siguro ni oy. So yan, 'di ba, maputik. So yung mga kasama namin nandoon pa sa likuran. Saan na kaya 'yun? 'Di ba? So marami na pong nandoon. May nauna na sa amin. Ayan, mahirap pala dito pag umuulan kasi maputik oh. Na-miss ko tuloy yung bukid namin ay. So, ayan. So, naka-step-in lang ako. Hindi ko naman nasahan na ganito. Kaputik pala. Akala ko lang bato yung madadaanan namin. Hindi pala ako na-inform na ganito pala kaputik ay. So, ayan. Nandun yung asawa ko. Nagmamadali kami kasi baka hindi na namin maabutan yung yung buha. Oh! Bakit? Madali kami dahil baka hindi na namin maabutan yung sea of clouds. Kasi nga alas 6 na. Diyos Maria Joseph. Aray ko. Yan. So, babalikan ko kayo mga Marsh ha. Baka madulas ako ay. Nakawa lang. Ay! My God! Ay! Diyos mo yun. Yan, siya ko sa mga dito. Mag-view ng sea of clouds. Sa may ibukaw. So, ito yung nadaan nyo. Yan. So, nakita tayo mga Marsh. Nakita tayo. So, medyo sa mga dito yung bundok. Yan. Yung kasama kasi. So, yan. Tayo. Log lang ata. Ayan. Ay, nagdala ito. So, Marsh, naka-inform. Mga kain, karami, karami. Ay, so, yan. Nandano. So, nakita tayo. So, yan. Wow. Ganda, oh. Wow!
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. to fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Kain mo na kami mga Marsh. Sinapagod kami sa lakad namin kanina. Asko. Maputik pa. So, ayan.
Natin pinakamasarap.
Model mo ko ng pinakamasarap. Gusto ko lang na mamanood ng ano, Sea of Clouds. Pero gano'n kahirap ang pinuntahan natin. So, ayan. Ay, maganda pala viewing dito, te, oh. Nasa Alaska pala tayo, eh. So, ang ganda, oh. Ganda pala loob. Picturean mo nga kami ni Jomel, te. Ganda, oh.